The reason you snore out of your mouth is because you can't breathe through your nose. So close your mouth with mouth tape at night. This is the only one that I found that sticks throughout the entire night and also works with beards. Then you open up your airways by clicking this onto your nose, and you get 80% more oxygen. If you want to get the best sleep of your life, use mouth tape and this nose dilator. No more snoring. I always tell people to go with the 30-day because once you try this, the 15-day is not going to be enough. I'm going to leave everything linked right here. They're on a crazy discount right now. Once you scroll away from this video, I don't know if it's still going to be on a discount.